Hello boys and beauties, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Markela Tarrance, and for those of you who do know me, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a tutorial using the Janet Collection Natural Born Lock hair. So I do want to let you all know that I will be doing the extended version. So I will actually take one lock and I'll actually attach it to give it a longer effect. Yes, honey, we are doing 40 inches today, okay? So this is what the packaging actually looks like. The color that I will be using today is 1B. So now we're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. So as you all see, my hair is freshly washed and blow dried. I usually like to part my hair into 4 sections just because it's easier for me to do the individual crochet. Now, you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but if you have thicker hair such as myself, I would highly recommend you doing that. So I'm just going to take my rat tooth comb and I'm just going to go ahead and part in those sections. Now that my hair has been sectioned off, I did go ahead and part my first row. So now I'll just be braiding my hair. So I'm just going to braid my hair in individual boxes. I want to say the size that I'm actually doing is about medium size. I didn't really want them too long because I didn't really want to have like a really big bun. So I tried to make them a medium size. That way I won't have too many and that way they can look natural as possible. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you all continue watching as I go ahead and braid my hair. Alrighty guys, so this is what my hair looks like. I was able to finally braid my entire head. So I do want to just let you all know that I did go ahead and crochet the back of my hair. As you all see, we are pretty much halfway done. But I did want to slow down how I actually did the crochet for you all. I want to wait until I got to the top. So as you all see, I'm going to open up my crochet stick. It's like a small latch. You just want to make sure that's open. You want to put the crochet stick through your braid, and you want to make sure that when you put it through, it's through the roots. Once you do that, you want to make sure you put the actual lock on the latch and you close it. Once you do that, you want to bring it all the way through, probably like halfway through. That way, once you do that, you can go ahead and open up that lock opening, the small hole that you all see, and you want to make sure that you open that up as wide as possible. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my braid in the bottom of the lock and I'm just going to pull it through. Now I'm not sure if you all see my previous video of the different method that I did. I only pulled through the lock. I did not pull through my hair, but this method I am pulling through my braid as well as the lock. So once you do that, you want to make sure you pull that tightly. And as you all see, I'm going to go ahead and unravel the soft lock, or the new lock, or the natural born lock. So I'm just unraveling it, and I'm just going to unravel it like to the bottom of my hair. And once I do that, then I'm actually going to begin wrapping it around to the point where I actually cover my hair. Okay, so this is a really cool and quick method, honestly, because I believe when I did the soft lock video, which I'll make sure to put that down in the description, I had to go back and take like a piece of braiding hair and I had to wrap it around the lock. That took way longer than this. This was super quick and super easy. So this is what it actually looks like. So now I'm going to take the bottom of the lock and I'm just going to unravel it a little bit. I'm so sorry, my camera did not zoom out all the way. So that same opening that you all see me open up when I attached the lock at the top of my head, I'm going to take that and I'm going to attach it to the bottom of the lock. And honestly, from this point on, all you want to do is just tie until you cannot tie it anymore. Some people use nail glue, but if you just tie this until you can't tie no more, you cannot go wrong with it. So that's pretty much it with the extending. So I want to say these inches were about 18 inches, but because I am so short, this was about 40 inches. And I'll also make sure that you all see at the end of the video how it's literally 40 inches on me. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and let you all see the remainder of the video. But I do want to let you all know this is pretty much it. This is how I do my extended lock. Alrighty guys, so here is the finished product. I absolutely love my hair. I love how natural it looks. I love how long it is. Make sure if you guys have not already checked out my other videos, make sure you go ahead and do that. And also like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. And also turn on your post notification bells. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it. I love you so much, boys and beauties, and I cannot wait to see you next time. Peace.